Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. This is Robbie at Bang for Your Buck RC Reviews. I have the new Rlaarlo 1/14 scale monster bash truck right here. Came in the other night. I've been really excited to get this thing open. Let's do it right now. Okay, here's the box it came in. Right here, the Rlaarlo 1/14 scale. You guys know I love doing unboxings. Those who have been subscribers to my channel, I'm not a big fan of unboxing, but this right here deserves an unboxing because Rlaarlo does an exceptional job at packing their vehicles and giving you extras, stuff that you don't normally get from other makers. Look at this, a Rlaarlo accessory kit. Let's tear into this and just see what's in it real quick. Looks like, look at this, they give you not only one decal sheet, but they give you two. Nice, that is a bonus. Check that out. Get the headlights, grill, windows, setups, other decals and stuff to support Rlaarlo racing. This is a very nice touch that you get two of them. You get the awesome Rlaarlo manual. They really do a great job at supplying you with the information and the exploded part views and diagrams that you need to take your truck apart. Really good that they provide such a in-depth manual. Let's see what else you get. They give you, look at this, some control arms. They give you a set of 4 control arms, guys. Can now that's almost unheard of. And screws. I don't think I've really seen another company do that. So this is a big bonus right here. Let's check this out right here. I believe there's a battery in the truck as well, but they also give you a, looks like a LiPo battery. I'm figuring it doesn't say how, oh no, it says 1800 milliamp hours, excuse my blind eyes, and a balance charger. So you get two LiPo batteries, 2S batteries, and let's see, you get, oh look at those. You get the spare dog bones, spare driver cups. You get one spare driving cup, one CVD and one dog bone. Beautiful. That's gonna come in handy, I'm sure, if I break something. You get a cross wrench, some extra body clips, and a screwdriver. And you get some extra, looks like wheel spaces and or those center caps there that go into the wheels and stuff. So they really took care of us here with all this good stuff. There's the wing and wheelie bar right here. So we do have to put this on. All right, thank you, Rlaarlo. That is a bonus. Let's get this thing open. I think this is the most in-depth unboxing I've ever done. Wow, look at this. This is the same controller that they supply with all their other vehicles. One thing you can get, that you can expect from Rlaarlo, is consistency. All these radios are used in all of their vehicles. They usually put a color matching foam steering band around the steering wheel. They supply you with directions on the controller face right here, so you know, for beginners, you guys know what the controls do and all that stuff. So this is really something special right here, and something that newbies will appreciate. I believe these do take 3 AA batteries. That's the only thing you got to provide for these. And here is the beauty right here. Let's move this box. Wow. Look at this thing. It is nice, really nice. Look at the oil-filled shocks. Oh yeah, we got to do the drop test, guys. We got to do the drop test. And that just soaks up the bumps. Those shocks are insane. I think Rlaarlo has some of the best shocks out there. You know, especially in a budget truck. Look at that. Amazing. So this is the body that I had chose. They also have the optional blue and black one from Crobel, which is Rlaarlo's brother company. They got really, wow, these tires are really, they're supple. And no gas noises today with these tires. Yeah, they're nice, really nice. These are gonna really grab the hard packed dirt and gravel. Man, this thing, and it's got really good weight to it, guys. It's actually kind of heavy. You get that metal belly pan right here, skid plate, very well made. Phillips screws underneath. Very, very, very nice. Rlaarlo, you make a nice truck. Let's hope this runs really good. Let's get these pins out from the body. Wow, look at that beauty right there, guys. Very nice. Get the big 550 motor with a heat sink. Your 3S tested, 3S approved ESC, so you can run 3S on this. I don't know if there's a like a capacity limit on the C rating that you can run. Just for fairness, I would say, you know, not to go too high of a discharge. Sometimes these ESCs can handle a certain C rating, and if you go too high, it's just too much for the ESC, and you can end up smoking them out. But yeah, this is really, really nicely built. Real flexible plastic, cradling the battery. Very nice. The wheels almost feel like they're metal. I don't think they are, but they feel like it. Really robust plastic. I do like it a lot. You get all these metal turnbuckles with the plastic ends, nylon ends. Of course, your metal drive cups and drive shafts. Not drive shafts, but your dog bones and CVDs. Really well done, guys. Rlaarlo, you did a good job here. You made adjustable positions for the shocks. That is about it. I believe that is a metal shock tower as well. Yes, the shock towers are metal. Another big bonus. This looks like it's made to bash, guys. So also, did I forget this? You get 3 LED lights placed in the bumper. Very nicely done, so you can run this at night. If you guys are going out camping or just getting home late and you want to have a little RC time, it's nice to have the light. So ball bearings all the way around throughout the vehicle. Look at that. They got a colored metal drive shaft in there. All right, there it is, the 1/14 scale Rlaarlo bash truck. We got to give this thing a name. Rlaarlo something. Accelerator? Maybe that's what it should be. I'm not sure, but yeah, it definitely needs a name. Look how nice it looks though. One little hang up I have on this was I did place this decal on and it was crooked and I had to take it off, and these are paper-backed decals. They're nice on the outside, nice and shiny, but if you put them on and then need to pull them off, those paperback decals leave paper behind with the adhesive. So guys, make sure when you do put your decals on, you try to put them on right, or don't set them on there until you have it fixed exactly where you want it. Don't press it on there, because if you do pull them off, you're gonna have a paper mess. It'd be nice, Rlaarlo, you guys have done an awesome job on this truck, but it would be nice if they were just vinyl decals. I know you guys are probably trying to get the price down, but that would be a nice thing. Some people, you know, they don't like putting on decals, and but yet they're really picky about it. So, which is me. I kind of enjoy doing it, but I had to peel that. You gave us another sticker pack, which I had to use this because when I tried to take it off, it left a mess. So, anyway, look at this thing. It is really, really, the quality is there, guys. We will see outside how it does. We'll give it a quick speed test and a quick bash, and let's see how this thing does. All right, let's do a speed test. Definitely hit top speed there. And holding it down. Just ran over my toe. All right, let's see what it did. Okay guys, that's looks like 21 miles an hour, 21.6 miles an hour. Not bad on a stock 550 motor. We'll take it. All right, let's get a top speed run on the 1500 milliamp hour 2S LiPo. This is a 60C battery. Let's see what she can do. It's a little hot for a 3S right now, so I'm not gonna bother doing a 3S today. So let's try this. .23 miles per hour. A little bit better with the LiPo battery that's 60C rated. All right, not bad. Okay, I let the truck cool off a little bit. We're gonna try a 3S. The motor had gotten hot after those 2 battery packs. I got 2.9 miles an hour because I was walking down my driveway, but it was zeroed out. Let's see what this thing does on 3S. We'll do a couple of warm-up passes. I'm not gonna do a lot of driving with the 3S, just a couple of speed passes, and that is it. Let me see if I can turn this on. The 3S that I have is a 2200 milliamp hour 35C. Let's see if I can reach that power button. There we go. So far, guys, I like this truck a lot. Built very sturdy, and let's see how she does on 3S. Probably gonna take the steering rate down a little bit. Wow, steering rate. Still a lot of steering for. Let's see how she does. 3S. Definitely picked up the speed. Really good range on this controller, guys. Let's see what we got. $31.5 miles an hour on 3S. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm impressed with this truck overall so far. Rlaarlo, you guys did a great job. It is definitely bash worthy and a lot of fun. So I do recommend this, guys. Go out and get yourself one. I think they have a special deal going on right now on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. You guys check it out, and always look for those coupon codes. And you can't beat the fact that Rlaarlo takes care of you. They really want to provide you with a good truck and maintain a good relationship with the customers. So you know, that counts for something. And so far, you know, since they've been putting out their vehicles, I've had no issues with Rlaarlo customer service. They're second to none. Awesome. You know, in the budget category arena, there's so many vehicles out there, and sometimes you can't get parts, sometimes you can't get customer service. This company you don't really have to worry about. You guys, for now, thanks for watching. Thanks for taking a little bit of time out of your day to watch this video, and I appreciate you guys hanging out with Bang for Your Buck RC Reviews. We'll talk to you later.